In this video, we will solve one more problem, checking the palindrome, checking the string is palindrome or not. So palindrome is actually a reverse of a string. If equal to original string, then the string will be called palindrome, like radar. When radar reverse of radar is also radar, so radar is palindrome. So how to do it? Now, like name is checking name radar. So how to do it? So reverse name. So print reverse name it will be name double colon and -1. Then equal to name. So if it will print true when string is reverse of string is original string, and false when reverse of string not equal to original string. So like this. So it is printing true. So checking on other name, like my name repo. So this is false. Now checking on RIR, this is true. This is now checking on 123 321. This is true. So that's how we check palindrome of a string. The string is palindrome or not.